In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Outlook account settings. If you're moving to a new computer, creating a backup, or just keeping your mail, contacts, and calendar safe, this process uses a single file called a PST, which neatly packages your Outlook data so you can store it or bring it into another Outlook profile. We'll start in Outlook Classic. With Outlook open, go to the File tab, choose Open Export, and then select Import Export. In the wizard that appears, choose Export to a file and click Next. Select Outlook Data File.pst, then Next again. Now pick what you want to export. You can choose the entire mailbox or specific folders like Inbox, Contacts, or Calendar. To capture everything inside those folders, make sure Include Subfolders is checked. Click Next, browse to where you want to save the PST, and give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Click Finish to create the file. For safety, store that PST in a backup location, such as an external drive or a secure cloud folder, so you have a reliable copy if something happens to your PC. Before we move on, a quick note: a PST holds your messages, attachments, contacts, calendar entries, tasks, and notes. It does not carry your email account passwords or server connection details, so think of it as a data backup rather than a full account clone. That distinction helps set expectations when you restore. To bring that data into Outlook, launch Outlook on the target computer or profile, go back to File, Open Export, and choose Import Export. This time pick Import from another program or file, click Next, select Outlook Data File.pst, and Next again. Browse to the PST you created, choose it, and click Next. Decide where the information should go. You can point mail to your inbox or select the top level of your mailbox if you're bringing in multiple folders. When you're ready, click Finish and Outlook will begin transferring your content. Depending on the size of your PST, the import may take a while. You can continue working while Outlook processes in the background. When it's done, expand your mailbox and verify your messages, contacts, and calendar items are in place. That's it. Thanks for watching.